That's one of the ways of how to fix an Xbox that has no power. Today is going to be part 1 video of 3 parts in this series. I'm going to show you how to fix your Xbox if it has no power and the eject button is not working. Let's get the repair started. Push your Xbox to the side, start applying this vent right here. Put the vents to the side and put your pry tool opener between these two housings. Now all you have to do is lift up the housing and disconnect the power ribbon cable. We're going to be removing this power plate right here. And replace it with the new one. Push to the outside the power ribbon cable connector and insert the cable back in there. Next, push the clips back to the inside to hold the power cable into place. And then when you put the plate back, put it in an angle just like this. Then close it almost all the way, but leave a little bit of space open. Now we're going to put the housing back. And then lift up the Xbox from the front just a little bit. Push the plate back to the inside. Just like that. Next, put the plate back that belongs to the sync button and put the vents back in there and push down. Let's plug the power cable and see if we got power. That's one of the ways of how to fix an Xbox that has no power. Make sure you like and follow the rest of the coming up tutorial on how to fix your Xbox if it has no power.